Hey Qualcomm Pulse fam, get ready for a rapid-fire download of the hottest market movers. We've got MIRAE Asset Global ETFs Holdings Limited, making big plays in ARM holdings, and you're gonna want to know what that means for your portfolio. But wait, there's more. NewEdge Advisors LLC is shifting its strategy with ARM holdings, and we're breaking down exactly what that looks like. And the action doesn't stop there. Nissay Asset Management Corp Japan ADV is also stepping into the ARM game, adding to the buzz around this tech giant. Finally, NWI Management LP is acquiring new shares in ARM holdings, rounding out a massive week of institutional activity. You don't want to miss this. Smash that like, subscribe, and hit the bell. MIRAE Asset Global ETFs Holdings Limited boosts ARM holdings stake. Qualcomm Pulse is tracking major institutional moves, and MIRAE Asset Global ETFs Holdings Limited just significantly increased its position in ARM Holdings PLC-sponsored ADR. This fund boosted its stake by a substantial 12.5% in the first quarter, acquiring an additional 11,953 shares. Now holding over 107,000 shares valued at more than $11.5 million. This move signals a strong conviction in ARM's future. This isn't just a small tweak. Several other major players like Northern Trust Corp, Ameriprise Financial Inc., and Deutsche Bank AG have also been actively adjusting their ARM holdings, with some seeing dramatic increases in their investments. With institutional investors now owning over 7.5% of the stock, these strategic shifts are definitely turning heads on Wall Street. Don't go anywhere, because the market is buzzing with activity, and we've got more key player movements to reveal. Next up, see how NewEdge Advisors LLC is navigating the ARM landscape. NewEdge Advisors LLC adjusts ARM holdings position. In the dynamic world of tech investments, NewEdge Advisors LLC has made a notable adjustment to its holdings in ARM Holdings PLC-sponsored ADR. The firm trimmed its stake by 10% in the first quarter, selling 3,634 shares, but still maintains a significant position worth over $3.5 million. This move comes as other investors, like Brooklyn Investment Group and TFC Financial Management Inc., are also actively managing their portfolios with ARM. Analysts are closely watching ARM, with a consensus rating of moderate buy and an average price target around $169.67. Despite this adjustment by NewEdge Advisors LLC, the stock's performance and analyst sentiment remain key points of discussion. Stay tuned as we uncover more significant trades impacting major tech players. Next, we're diving into Nissay Asset Management Corp Japan ADV's latest investment in ARM. Nissay Asset Management Corp Japan ADV expands ARM holdings stake. Nissay Asset Management Corp Japan ADV is making a decisive move in the semiconductor space, increasing its investment in ARM Holdings PLC-sponsored ADR by 10.7% during the first quarter. The Japanese asset manager acquired an additional 6,381 shares, bringing its total holdings to over 65,000 shares, valued at approximately $7 million. This strategic acquisition adds to a flurry of activity from institutional investors like TFC Financial Management Inc. and Brooklyn Investment Group, all closely watching ARM. ARM Holdings recently reported earnings that slightly beat expectations, and with a consensus, moderate buy rating from analysts, Nissay's increased stake suggests confidence in the company's long-term prospects amidst a market actively reevaluating its position. We're not done yet. The institutional plays continue to unfold with significant impact. Get ready to see what NWI Management LP is doing with ARM Holdings next. NWI Management LP enters ARM Holdings with new share purchase. NWI Management LP has made a significant entry into ARM Holdings PLC-sponsored ADR, acquiring a substantial new position of 135,000 shares in the first quarter. Valued at approximately $14.4 million, this investment now represents about 1.8% of NWI Management LP's portfolio, making ARM its 14th largest holding. This move occurs amidst a backdrop of continued institutional interest, with firms like Price T. Rowe Associates Inc., MD, and Northern Trust Corp. Also actively adjusting their stakes. ARM Holdings recently posted solid earnings, and with a consensus, moderate buy rating and a target price around $169.67 from analysts. NWI Management LP's strategic acquisition highlights the ongoing institutional confidence in ARM's market position and future growth potential. That's a wrap on today's market movers, but don't miss our quick recap and what's coming up next. Get ready for our lightning round outro. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. MIRAE Asset Global ETFs Holdings Limited boosted its ARM Holdings stake, NewEdge Advisors LLC adjusted its ARM position, Nissay Asset Management Corp. Japan ADV expanded its ARM holdings, and NWI Management LP acquired new ARM shares. Don't miss out on any of the action. Like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for more market insights, ring that notification bell so you never miss an update, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you in the next one.